Hi guys!
Hi
guys! Today we're going to be growing organic microgreens today. Why are we growing this today?
I don't know, because it's fun and it's summer.
No, we care about the environment.
We care about the environment.
We care about the future.
We care about the future.
This is the future.
This is the future.
Plants. Alright, so we're gonna grow microgreens today.
Yay!
And let me read you the description because it's beautiful, alright? Tiny but mighty. Microgreens are one of nature's best kept secrets. These baby seedlings are packed with flavor and nutrition, up to 40 times the vitamins and minerals of mature plants.
Are you done now?
Up to 40 times
Inside.
vitamins and minerals of mature
Inside.
plants. Just one pinch is all you need to
Stop.
liven up any sandwich, salad, or smoothie.
Do you have a green thumb?
Yeah, I do.
Okay, so inside this box is...
Open yours.
No.
That's so rude. You're just waiting for me to open mine?
Yes.
How rude. Okay, so if we open this, there is this cardboard box. And on top is some kind of letter. A postcard for my friends. No, I'm just kidding. Okay, so this is the Grow Kit instructions. So they have the instructions, they have a title page, like a book, and they have seeds, as well as this cardboard looking corkscrew something.
It's called an expandable soil disc.
Alright, this is our expandable soil disc. Alright, so this is our rainbow mix. So, inside the seed mix, we have organic radish seeds, organic kohlrabi seeds, and organic cabbage seeds. My favorite.
Yummy, yum, yum.
Okay, so the instructions. We're going to expand the soil and plant our seeds. So, this is the soil disc. And we're going to grow it in the tray and add 1/3 cup of water. Water? Look at it grow!
Go. Nothing can stop me. I'm all the way up. All the way up.
I'm going to put it in there.
No.
Cover your tray. Okay, so we're going to grow it. Allow for 30 seconds for the soil to expand. Then spread it out in an even layer along the bottom of the tray.
Now we're going to expand the soil.
Whoa. Okay, the soil is nice and expanded. We're now going to open the seed packet and sprinkle all the seeds evenly. It's never ending. Okay, we're going to add about 3 tablespoons of more water to help the seeds germinate.
Ooh, germinate.
We're just gonna mix in the soil and the seeds together so that it's spread out.
Two hours later.
We're gonna wash our hands in a little water.
No.
We're gonna add 3 tablespoons of more water.
And then we just wait 7 days.